Have you ever tried to eat a burger without the buns? Everything falls apart. Well, opinion writing is exactly the same. If your ideas are not organized, splat! Your writing becomes one giant messy burger. But don't worry, today we're going to build the perfect opinion burger. Every great opinion needs 4 delicious layers: the top bun, the lettuce, the juicy middle, and the bottom bun. And each part has a very important job. Let's build it together. First comes the top bun. This is where you introduce your opinion. A great way to begin is by asking a question. Should kids have less homework? Then answer it clearly. In my opinion, kids should have less homework. Or, I strongly believe recess should be longer. I feel that. In my opinion, I'm certain. Boom! Your reader already knows what you think. Now comes the crunchy lettuce. This is where you explain why you think that way. Not just one reason, several reasons. You can use words like firstly, moreover, also, certainly. But here comes the secret ingredient: amazing vocabulary. Instead of saying, the dog ran, you could say, the dog ran quickly across the yard. The word quickly is called an adverb. Adverbs make your writing stronger and more vivid. And you can also use similes. A simile compares something using like or as. For example, the classroom was as noisy as a zoo. Or, my stomach rumbled like a thunderstorm. Those little details help readers imagine your ideas. And that is powerful writing. But wait, what if someone disagrees with you? Great writers think about both sides. You could say, some people may argue that homework helps children learn. Or, some might think uniforms are a good idea. That shows you are thinking carefully. And thoughtful writers are strong writers. Now it's time for the rebuttal, your comeback. This is where you explain why you still disagree. You can use phrases like, however, on the contrary, but, without a doubt. For example, however, too much homework can make kids feel exhausted. Or, without a doubt, children learn better when they also have time to play. And finally, the bottom bun keeps the whole burger together. This is your conclusion. Here, you repeat your opinion, but using different words. You can say, in conclusion, to sum it up, all in all. As you can see, for example, all in all, I believe kids need more time to relax and play. Short, clear, powerful. And here's something amazing. Great opinion writing is not about being the loudest. It's about making people think. When your reasons are clear, when your vocabulary is vivid, when your ideas are organized, your words can change people's minds. That's how powerful writing can be. So next time you write an opinion, don't make a messy burger. Make an opinion burger. And don't forget the secret sauce: amazing vocabulary, especially adverbs and similes. See you next time, writers!